Hey guys, it's me, Jake, and I'm in another video. And today I am back. And today I am with my friend.
Hello.
And today we are going to be playing hide and seek. But in Roblox. Do you guys know the Roblox hide and seek? I bet, don't you? Yeah, you do. I'm pretty sure. I hope.
I want you to spectate me.
Okay, we're gonna spectate Cassidy, I guess. In the background, you're gonna only see this part because when I close it, the screencast deletes, so I can't quite do that. So this is Cassidy. This is her. I'm gonna be playing with her. I got the tryhard bandana on, and last time it wasn't too tryhard though, so. I don't know. But yeah, I haven't made a video in a long time, guys, so I'm sorry.
A month ago was your sour one, and that was your one.
A month ago, though.
You're really not good at staying up to date.
I'm not. Well, first of all, I don't have that much subscribers. I only have 39. So.
No.
Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, so I think Cassidy just started around, so we may have to spectate for a little bit, but then we can.
Until I die.
Yeah.
And everybody else knows.
Got a rash.
This is the best hiding spot ever.
Best hiding spot. Awesome. Hey, it's Baymax!
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Yes! I'm in Baymax.
You're in Baymax?
Well, I'm not in him, but I'm behind him.
You are in Baymax. Cass, haven't I told you a million times not to blah blah blah? You guys know what I mean? I don't know.
My head's just
I
in
think you're in Baymax. Yeah, you're glitching in Baymax.
Is that nice? Is it coming?
It is. Hi. He is. Where are you, Baymax? He is like.
What the heck?
He is.
My computer just shut down.
Your computer just what? Your computer just died?
Just shut down. No. Sorry, you guys, I just left the game. Okay, I'm back.
Are you in the same? Are you back?
Rihanna thinks I'm pretending that I'm making a YouTube video. Well,
Rihanna, this is real.
This is real, Rihanna. He's actually making a YouTube video.
He's. Oh, wait, you're not in Baymax anymore.
I'm not pretending. That's not meaning I'm pretending that I'm making a video.
Here, when this is uploaded, I'll show her.
Yeah.
Okay, can we just not spectate? I want to play, guys. I'll get back to you when we're done with spectating. Okay, guys.
Let's jump up.
Okay, guys, I am back. So I'm in around now, and yeah, Cassidy, where are you?
I'm hiding in the cashier. Jake, get up on the top.
Oh, I'm coming. Oh gosh, Don't want to be by it. The clown. Get me up. Okay, there we go.
Okay, come on.
Come on.
Get in more. You can come in more.
Okay, yep, we only have like a few seconds left. Oh, yeah, we can. Okay. I feel like the hider's gonna know this is a good hiding spot, and they're gonna come here.
It's fine.
Hey, we got the tryhard bandana on. That's all that matters. Tryhard.
We're probably gonna play many different games, you guys, and
Not in this video. This video is just hide and seek.
yeah, but in other videos, are gonna make we might do some obbies, we might do some tycoons. Why do you have it?
Okay, he hasn't found us yet. We're good.
Subscribe, comment, like videos. That was
Alright, any day now, people. You know, we need to be adventurous for the video, Cassidy. We need to explore. Hold up, where's the guy? He is. Oh yeah, he's like. Okay,
Let's go get some tacos.
let's go.
Jake, over here on the cashier.
Woo! Oh, I dropped.
Come back up.
Oh, okay.
Let's go. Actually, let's go to the open door. Boing. Where's it?
He is in a big soda. He's in the soda cans.
Okay, Jake, where are you?
This map got updated since last time.
It has. We have two escape rooms. One through there, one through here, but let's get closer over here. Hold on,
Got it.
Let me see what's over here. Just an open area. Ooh, can I squeeze through? Wait. Yes.
Hold up.
You guys, we are risking everything. Ooh, can I squeeze through here? Yes. Jake, do you know where I went?
Yeah.
Okay. I think we might win.
Time remaining. Yeah, we'll win. All of a sudden, no! Oh my god, dude. So,
Yes, in the box we go. Oh, yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Jump on the box. Jump in the box, Jake.
the box.
Boing. Darn it. Ready?
I'm in the box.
Boing.
Oh,
And try and get up on the shelves.
the shelf. Oh yeah. Wait, where? Where's shelf? What shelf?
Well, the boxes.
Oh, I can get on the boxes. Easy.
Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2,
2,
1. Boom.
10 credits. Please say it's not duplicate.
Yeah, let's just have a duplicate. Ethan's bedroom. I know
Good.
good.
Really good hiding spot.
No, not Baymax, not Baymax. I know another good hiding spot. Okay, I know a cheat. You just have to follow me. If I'm not it.
Okay.
Oh, man,
Yeah,
sharks.
Okay. So.
I need you to follow me. I know where to hide. Where are you? Where are you? Okay, follow me. Follow me. What the heck? Did you just... Okay, follow me. It's a good hiding spot. Jump on the chair or fall down. It doesn't matter.
Okay, jump on this chair.
Okay, now jump off the chair to where I am. By the ladder. Now come over where I am.
Oh, I went up here.
Yeah, I know. It's not on the bed, though. Now come up here. Now jump in this. Now I know. Now come down here. Now walk on this purple pad, okay?
Oh my gosh.
And then
let's hide behind the snake.
I know. I'm hiding right here. No, Cassidy, come over here.
Oh.
And then I'm dropping and going down to this shelf.
This shelf? The one
Yeah.
with all the stuffed animals?
Yeah, sure. Just go in that. Yeah, go in that. Here, I fell down. Just stay there, Cass. That's a good spot. Okay, that's a good spot, Cass.
Perfect.
Except he's coming. There. Wait, hold on. I'm looking at where he's going. He is... Okay, no, you're far from him.
Wait, did you fall down one?
Yeah, but I'm going back. Oh, crap, he sees me.
I'm gonna come down.
Daggone, I died. Okay, I'm almost back to you. Yeah, stay there.
Just gonna stay around here. Should I be adventurous? Well, when there's a few seconds left, I'll be adventurous.
Oh, yeah.
Because I don't want to risk my whole body. I kind of want to stay hiding for a little bit longer. But yeah.
Okay, so guys, I think we're going to do like 3 more rounds after this, and then might end the video.
Yeah, and then we might do like maybe. Oh, do you want to do our obby?
Maybe.
Do you want to do tycoon?
Maybe.
The pizza tycoon again?
Yeah, sure, maybe. Okay, guys, so I don't know. We might not be doing it. So, guys, I think actually when this round is finished, I'm going to leave because the video has been pretty long on my limit. So, when Cassie
so I might be adventurous.
And, yeah.
Let's jump. I see him. We have plenty of time. I'm going to kind of jump.
Cassidy, be adventurous. Jump down. I dare you. Oh
my gosh. Did he see me?
I don't know. But guys, I think I might end this video here. I know the round's not finished, but I might end it. What? Here, just let him get. Okay, guys. I'll see you in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Say bye, Cass.
Bye.